One scotch, one bourbon, one beer.
Welcome to Bourbon Brushes, the Sound of Bourbon, a podcast where the crackle of the torch, the clink of a glass, and the hum of local stories come together in one beautifully crafted experience. This isn't just another whiskey podcast, it's a sensory road trip through America, told one custom old-fashioned at a time. Each episode is a curated journey into the heart of a specific city or state. We dive deep into the roots of regional bourbons, visiting local distilleries that define their region's flavor, history, and pride. We interview bartenders, distillers, historians, artists, and everyday bourbon lovers, giving voice to the culture and character that influence the spirits we sip. We don't stop at storytelling, we mix as we go. Every featured drink is custom built to reflect the flavors of the regions. We craft simple syrups from local fruits, spices, herbs, and even vegetables, infusing every cocktail with a sense of place. Then we smoke each old-fashioned with wood chips, sourced from trees native to that region. From cypress to oak, pecan to applewood, adding a bold aromatic layer that brings it all home. It's where mixology meets geography and you're invited to explore. So whether you're a bourbon buff, a home bar hero, or just someone who appreciates a damn good drink with a good story, this show will stir your curiosity, ignite your taste buds, and leave you thirsty for more. So grab your passport and your rocks glass. Tune in, mix it up, and take the scenic route. This is Bourbon Brushes, where every drink is a destination.
One bourbon, one beer. One scotch,